In this video I will show how can we download and install Avast free antivirus. Open any browser. Type Avast. Click and open this link. Click on free download. When the download is complete, open the file. Click on Install. It will take some time to install. I cut the installation time to make the video shorter. Once the installation is complete, the Avast icon will appear on your desktop. Loading will take some time. Click on Continue. Click on Continue with Free. Click on Run First Scan. Scanning has started. It will take some time to scan. Close the window when the scan is complete.